Reusable K&N filter saves you money. A K&N Washable, reusable air filter will save you up to $125 versus purchasing multiple disposable filters, compared to MSRP in USD of corresponding OE filters for 200,000 miles of highway driving. Clean once every 5 years. Engine air filter only needs cleaning every 75,000 miles under normal highway driving conditions, 5 years based on the average miles driven per year of 15,000 miles. Rugged construction. K&N air filters are manufactured with durable, premium materials and state-of-the-art construction methods to last a lifetime. Reduces waste. Over 200 million disposable air filters and their packaging waste wind up in landfills each year. Reusable filters help reduce waste in our landfills. Engineered power. State-of-the-art air filter media is designed to increase horsepower and acceleration as well as improve overall engine performance. Easy installation. K&N air filters are pre-oiled and ready to drop into your factory airbox. They are one of the easiest and most cost-effective vehicle upgrades for quick performance gains. 4 layers of protection. Multiple layers of premium cotton gauze treated with a specially designed tacking agent work together to create an intricate mesh of engine filter media that is designed to block and trap harmful contaminants. Ultimate longevity. No hassle lifetime limited warranty on stock replacement K&N air filters. Limitations apply. Made in USA. K&N air filters are proudly made in the USA for trusted quality reliability. Top reviews from the United States. Great gift to tame Biden gas prices. Purchased for a new driver's birthday. It will no doubt be a great way to save a small amount on fuel while Democrats are running the country.